Welcome to the channel, friends. So this is going to be a quick video. It is a follow-up video to my InfiRai taillight install. And I went ahead and installed the yellow wire, which is the Euro wire, and I switched it on and I wanted to see what it looked like. And let's take a look at what that looks like when you activate the switch and you plug in the yellow wire to the positive turn signal wire. So in this case, it's the yellow wire. I just went ahead and installed it on the left side to give an idea of what it does, just to be, kind of curious about it. And this is what happens. It turns into a sequential when you have your hazards on, and when you hit the brakes, it's going to turn into this right here. So you're going to have a red and then a yellow sequential alternating. So it does not do it on a turn signal for some reason. So it's not active during any kind of signaling, but it will be active during when you press on the brakes and when you hit the hazards and activate your hazards. So I wanted to show you guys what that looked like because I was curious myself. I'm actually going to go back to the US spec, which is just, red, solid red, no conversion or alternating to amber. But that's what it is. Over here, as you can see, it's kind of freaking out because it's like backfeeding in a weird way. Because all I did was hook up one of the yellow wires. But I'm pretty sure you would have to hook up each one of the yellow wires for each tail light if you plan on doing it and keeping it this way. That's just something to keep in mind. So, just was curious. But that's a quick video, guys. If you have any other questions or comments, please place them right down below. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.